see you.
Good to see you. Hey. Shay reached out to us about a project for Gabby, who is moving back to Arkansas. She's also engaged, and she is going to be getting married soon.
Yep.
And she's going to be moving into their great-grandmother's home, which is one of 3 structures on this property. This house needs to be done in time for the wedding, right?
Yes.
Right.
Okay,
Correct.
okay. We got
No pressure or anything.
No, really.
We used to play pickup sticks outside the porch, and my great-grandma Noble, she would always be canning stuff, going and taking care of the cows.
Yes.
I think that's the kind of life I envisioned for myself. The house was built in 1946, and my great-grandma Nobles lived here. My mom's sisters had sold it when my grandma passed. Later, when the house came up for sale, my mom immediately snagged it.
All right, this is the kitchen, huh?
The original kitchen.
Yeah, the home has definitely not changed since the 60s.
As Gabby would say, we want to keep Grandma in our hearts, not necessarily in our cabinets.
Exactly.
So,
Oh, wow, this is big.
Yeah, this is a really nice space.
We can make a main suite out of this.
this was a place that was so special. I feel so blessed to be in this position to be able to help Gabby. It just feels like one of those things that was meant to be. Also, we have this wonderful building over here.
Okay.
That
Oh.
is, I think, going to be an amazing in-law suite. And I think we can get that done fairly quickly, a lot
Right.
quicker than we can do the house. And so
Okay.
to have a place where she could be staying while this is being
Smart, okay.
finished, I think would be
Yes.
awesome.
Because you're staying at your parents right now,
Yes,
right?
I am.
Which is awesome.
She's been
but-
dropping me off like I'm 16 to mom and dad's.
She's back home by 10
That's awesome.
every night.
I love it. Okay, so the plan out here, we're gonna create a nice large entry with a nice door, and we're gonna add windows, really just kind of making it feel like a barn, but also like a home. Of course, we'll add some lighting, some landscaping, and make it look welcoming.
I love that. You guys want to check out the inside?
Yeah.
Yes,
Let's do it.
let's go.
Home sweet home.
Home sweet
Oh,
barn.
this is cool.
Huge.
Isn't this
is a
amazing?
great
This
space.
is so cool.
There's so much potential to what we can do in here.
I mean, this is a lot of space. But what do you need in this space? Like, what all do we need to account for here? So you need a
Right.
bedroom, bathroom. Do you want a full kitchen, a little kitchenette?
Having like a full working kitchen
Yeah.
vibe would be,
agree.
I think it would be silly not to do it.
And the ceilings are so high too. It's like you could maybe do some sort of a loft up there.
Where you're standing becomes like a living room.
Yeah.
Right.
We run a floor up here, so
Yeah.
we put like bathroom, kitchen down low, bedroom up in the loft area.
Okay, yeah.
And then you look out to this amazing
Sick.
party living space.
Absolutely.
Okay, so the plan in here is to create a nice entryway with a door and windows, and then we will create a living room, a kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, and loft area.
That'll be so sick.
Oh, he makes it. Like you've been doing it your whole life. This barn, we got to get this thing done. There's no demo, so we're gonna get this thing framed in.
Go ahead and get some 2x6s for this wall right here now.
Luckily, we have Rick, who is Shay and Gabby's dad. He has a construction business. He has
Yep.
all his subcontractors here.
Yep.
We got brother-in-law Cody. So we are gonna lean heavily on him to help us get this project done in time for the wedding.
There goes the claw. All right, so I've got this sauna all figured out.
You got it figured out?
Yeah, I've
Okay.
been doing some research on it. We are down at Gabby and Gray's house. There's a sauna underneath the staircase that we've added,
This space is gonna be a wellness space for her.
but we've got to figure out size, dimensions, where everything's going so I can get the materials that I need. So I would think we want the door to be a right-hand outswing, so you can open it out and then step into this, right? In the center, I've got those insulated
Right.
glass panels.
Yeah.
So you can see out of it, but then cedar all around.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, I definitely think you need glass.
And then you have like a smaller platform, and then you have a seat that sits up, because you want to get up a little ways, because that's where all the heat is.
We also talked about maybe coming in here and making this the bench. You could do a bench here and a bench there.
You might
Because you'd
have
be
2
facing-
people in there sometimes. too.
Exactly. The barn is coming along. It's really a house now. It's not really a barn anymore. So much has been done in here.
All the sheetrock.
Sheetrock.
We've got brand new flooring going in throughout the house.
We have the new front door, new windows, the sliding door. We have the tongue and groove on the ceiling, stairs. Upstairs, a cozy writing studio / bedroom when she has guests.
Where are these going?
Just right against that back
Is this
wall. This
kitchen?
is the sink cabinet. This one goes right here.
Okay. Boom.
I love the door and all the windows. This looks so good. It feels like a house now.
Yes.
A nice little side project here, guys.
Yeah, this
A full other home.
All right, so I can honestly say that I have never
Move the grand piano?
Yeah, well, I think there's people that do that for a living, and I'm not typically
That's
one
right.
of them.
How do you think we're gonna get this upstairs? Do you have a plan?
No, I have no plan. I've never moved piano.
I really wanted to include a piano because it's a writing studio.
We're gonna go this way.
So found a amazing piano for a great deal.
An 850-pound piano.
All pianos are heavy.
This is really steep. Now we're gonna hold it, and it's gonna go down.
Good job, guys. You're doing great work.
I think there's a even odds chance that this goes. Okay, Jenny, you're the anchor. If it starts to go,
All right, I got it.
jump out the window, hold it. You guys tell us, we're just holding it.
Okay, pull.
All right, we got it.
Easy, easy. Not gonna fit. Going down.
Nice test run.
Next option is no ramp, no dolly whatsoever.
You shouldn't have started up these stairs before the piano did. Now you're stuck here.
My phone's down there too.
Okay, coming up. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, there we go. Is it fitting?
We got it on three. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. 3. 1, 2, 3. Up. Okay.
Oh, and here comes Rick. Rick!
Hey, I was here if it came down.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Doesn't it? Oh, it's amazing. It is almost time for Gabby and Gray to come and see the new in-law suite barn
Wellness center.
wellness center.
It is not a barn anymore. This is a fully functioning house. It's
It looks
amazing.
so good.
They have to get into playing guitars just so I can build a shelf for them.
Oh, it's so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. This property is special. It's been in their family for so long, and
Yeah.
now they're really starting their whole life here. And so it's just a really, really special place. There's so much on the horizon for Gabby and Gray. Looks good.
Looks great. We're
I
done.
love it.
Let's get these kids in their house.
This is absolutely nuts.
I know.
I feel like a kid before Christmas, you know? Waking up in the morning,
Top of the
running
stairs.
downstairs.
It's like 4 a.m.
Oh my God! Good to see you. Stop! This is crazy!
Whoa, that's a lot different.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry.
Okay, so this just was a barn, remember? And now
It's a house.
it is a space for when you have family come to town, they can stay here. And also, this will be a place for you to stay while we finish the other
I'm
house.
so excited to get out of Mom and Dad's. I love them so much, but I haven't lived with them since I was 18.
It's a lot.
So.
It's a lot. Yeah,
Yeah, it's a
time.
lot.
We have a real front door. It was super important to make it feel like this is the entryway to a house. Lots of windows. There's so much natural light going into the space.
And the light in the front.
Yeah,
is
Pretty, isn't it?
gorgeous.
So pretty.
Oh my gosh, the landscaping. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely stunning.
All right.
So you guys ready to go inside?
I'm so ready. Are you
Okay,
kidding me?
all right,
I'm
let's
so
go.
excited.
Follow you guys.
Okay. Ah. Oh my gosh, this is nuts. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me right now?
I feel like I gotta take my shoes off.
Are you kidding me right now? Like, I'm gonna cry. This is unbelievable. Like, this is the guest?
I know.
This is literally a house.
Yes, it is. It's a house. We wanted to make it a space where you guys can have family and friends stay here. Obviously, you're gonna be staying here until the wedding.
Oh my goodness,
so
guys,
we wanted
I
it
can't
to
wait.
be a full space that feels like this cute modern cottage.
Oh my gosh, stop it.
We went with everything with it. You got the coffee maker, the
kidding me
dishwasher,
right
the range.
This is unbelievable. The color of these cabinets is absolutely stunning.
And then Dave built this table for y'all.
Wait, what does this say?
This
if you
is-
want to know who I am, just come on in. That's your lyrics. Don't start. Oh.
That's so precious, I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
I have the individual lashes. I'm trying not to cry. You did an incredible job.
Thank you.
This is
Thank you.
stunning. That's my guitar! This is unreal. Like, I don't know what this is made out of. It looks like a tree.
Yeah, that's all pecan. That's a pecan tree from our house.
That is crazy. It's stunning.
We wanted everyone when they walked in to know this place is for music and you guys are a musical family. And so this kind of sets the tone right away.
This is
For that.
unbelievable.
And then we have this amazing space outside.
Yeah, you gotta
Come
check
on
this
out
out.
here.
It's so
Stunning.
cool.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at this space.
It was full of hay in here, and it was
Oh,
a dirt
yeah.
floor
Yeah.
a few months ago.
This fan is insane. Oh my gosh, and this table, like I would have never
Check this.
dreamed.
Yeah, the stamped concrete, so it looks like tile.
Gosh.
This is such a beautiful, quiet, little tucked away space where you guys can gather and celebrate with your friends and family.
Just look at this view.
Like,
That's
are you
what it's all
kidding?
about, is that view out there. All right, we got more to see.
Oh my gosh, this is a gym, babe. Stop.
Oh, one of these?
Oh,
Those are the workout mirrors, aren't they?
this is sick. Oh my gosh, it's got elliptical. Stop.
I know what that door is.
Stop it. Shut the front door. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I smell cedar.
It smells so good.
Oh, it smells so good in here.
Oh, babe.
So Dave built this for you because it's such a great thing for your health, right? And I know you love to work out.
Guys.
The last time I was in this corner, I was shoveling out probably 30 pounds of mice poop. And now it's a sauna, so that's pretty sweet. I like that.
Okay, so you work out, you got a little coffee spot, some storage, and then we have another door to check out.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is crazy. My goodness. Oh my gosh, it's a full bath. It's a full stinking bathroom.
Okay,
This sink
so-
is sick.
Do you recognize the sink? It was behind the barn. We found it
Covered in
outside.
rust and mold.
Yeah.
and-
No
Yeah.
way.
And so we
Yeah.
restored it. We had to use it and keep it here.
Are you
It's so
kidding
cool.
me?
So it's some of your family's history, anywhere we could, incorporating it in the house.
Grandma Nobles.
All right, should we head
my
upstairs?
Yes, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. My harmonicas! Yes! These are my old harmonicas!
Yay! So we got a piano too.
Would you like to hear?
Yes!
This is stunning. Are you kidding me right now? Daddy, you just went all out on this.
How about this over here, sis?
Shay, I literally cried.
That is so special.
It's so special. You
Love you, sissy.